Hello, welcome to Vegan Calling and I'm Palak Jain. Today we will be making Jain Mexican quesadillas. In case if you know the steps, then you can skip, directly come to all these steps. I've done the breakdown of time here. First of all, we will be making tortillas. These are my corn tortillas made with corn and wheat flour. For this we will be needing 1 cup of corn flour or makki ka atta, 1 cup of whole wheat flour. You can use any nut butter or seed butter. I am using tahini here, 1 tablespoon. If you want, you can use 2 tablespoons of tahini also. It will make the tortillas more softer. The more the oil content is there, the more softer it will be. Chili flakes and mixed herbs, unrefined salt. Try not to use the refined salt which we get, the free-flowing salt which we get in the market. Now nicely rub the butter in the flour and use water. I have used around 1 to 1 quarter cup of water here to knead the dough. Make a soft dough as corn is dry in nature and it will absorb water. So I have made a very soft dough. After 10-15 minutes it will be a bit hard. So now we are going to keep it for resting for around 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it with a cloth. After 15 minutes it's done. Take a small ball and roll it into a chapati using some wheat flour. If you want, you can take a lid and cut it so that you get a very nice round edges. But I'm okay with this, so I don't use that. On a hot tawa, I'm going to cook it from both the sides. Use a cloth to just pat it so that it's cooked from all the sides. And now it's ready. We are going to keep this, make this tortillas and keep it aside and use it later. Now let's make our Mexican sauce. For this I've taken tomatoes which are organic. Try to use organic vegetables as much as possible. I'm using Kashmiri chili here. It gives a very nice red lovely color. It's not very spicy in taste. Garlic powder for sweetness if you like that sweetness in your quesadillas. Otherwise you can totally skip the garlic powder. You can use date paste also. Now cook it nicely for 10 minutes. Steam is a bit coming to my camera, so it was a bit blurred. Now cool it for 1 or 2 hours nicely. Once cooled down, I am going to blend it in my blender so you get a very nice smooth consistency of the paste. Now the bean stuffing. Heat the pot. Use capsicum. You can use any other vegetables also, colored capsicum, colored bell peppers. I have this organic, so I have not bought those yellow and red one. Add your Mexican tomato sauce which we have made it earlier. You can make this Mexican sauce and store it in the fridge. It will last for around 1 or 2 months in the deep freezer. And this sauce can be used on pizzas also, or even in making pastas. So I always cook this sauce and keep it in my deep freezer, so it's easier for me. Now these are boiled beans. I've used rajma and whole masoor, around 1 cup each. I've soaked for 5-6 hours and cooked for 5 to 6 whistles with less water, and then I have kept the water aside and use the rajma and masoor. We are going to add our spices. Black pepper, mix it nicely. We are going to stuff this between the quesadillas, so we want it to be very thick. And now I am going to switch to tomato salsa. I have taken around 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. I have just taken 2 tomatoes and blend it without water. I have blended in the mixer, and now I am adding all these vegetables. I prefer to use fresh salsa as it has a very different kind of a flavor. It gives that freshness of tomatoes, and I love using it in my dishes. Mix it nicely, and you can keep it in your fridge. Now let's head over to sour cream. I have soaked cashews around 2 cups. I have soaked this for 5-6 hours. Lemon juice and water and salt. Blend it very nicely, and our sour cream is ready. I have a recipe of herb sour cream also. I am leaving the link above, so you can make. Now let's head over to making the quesadillas, our final dish. Take 2 tortillas, put the bean stuffing, spread it nicely, cover it with the other tortilla, heat the gas. The tawa is very hot, and without any help of oil I am doing this. So you have seen that you don't need any oil, and you won't even come to know that you have not added any oil in it. So our quesadillas are ready, which are oil free and vegan. Thanks for watching Vegan Calling.